Hello, today I'm going to be showing you a Volkano Splash Series waterproof speaker. Some of the key features of this speaker is that it's IPX6 waterproof. The speaker itself is a Bluetooth speaker. The Bluetooth range is up to 10 meters. Optionally, you have got the choice of having an AUX cable. Obviously, you wouldn't use that around water, as you could have seepage. This speaker also has a built-in mic which is used for incoming phone calls, and the speaker is actually charged via a micro USB and has a 1000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. Opening this speaker, so you've got an AUX or jack cable, comes with the micro USB for charging, and a carabiner clip which would be used to clip over the top here. And you can have it, let's say you're out camping or at a festival, you could have it hanging in your tent, have it hanging into your bag when you're out. You see the various control buttons here. Under this flap here we have the AUX-in cable, and we have the 5-volt DC charging port for your micro USB. In the pack we have the instructions. I have had a little read of the instructions already, and it does state that the speaker itself is for use in wet conditions, in the shower, so it's splash resistant, well, splash proof. The speaker itself floats, so being IPX6, it's waterproof in regards to splashing, and because it floats it wouldn't actually be fully submerged, so it's not for use in submersion, but you can use it for floating around in the swimming pool. If the kids have got paddling pool, it's going to be good for the shower, festivals, the beach, things like that. So switching on the speaker. And this will automatically try and pair with the device once it's switched on, and I have paired it with my phone. Just going to test the sound quality. And that is very good quality actually. It does go very loud. Now we're just going to test the nerve-wracking part of being waterproof. As the instructions do say, it's not for being submerged under the water. However, this does float and is splash proof, so it's ideal for swimming pool when you're on holiday, festivals, garden parties, beach, shower. So all in all, this speaker is actually brilliant. Hope you found this video helpful, and I would definitely recommend a Volkano Splash Series speaker.